Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and set up a review of the Nothing phone which I have bought. Now I am very excited for this. This is the 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage version of it. So I've got it here, and yes, if anyone's wondering, I'm switching from my iPhone 11, which I made a video about almost a year ago. I've only had the iPhone 11 for like a year, which I'm actually filming this video on. But my mum had already had it for 2 years, so it was already worn out and that. And I saw this. This is the most iPhone Android phone you can get, if that makes sense. It's like an iPhone 12, but it's got LEDs on the back and runs Android. And it's the size of like the Pro Max iPhones. So I think I will very much get along with this phone. And also it's got all the cool LEDs on the back. So yeah, and then here for it I've got a case and screen protector. A lot of people would use this caseless, but I just bought a clear case because I'm not breaking it. 450 quid, fuck that. And then a charger for it. Because Apple decided to stop putting their plugs in the boxes for the phones, other phone companies are doing it as well, which as you can see, there's obviously no charging brick in this. And the cable it comes with is a USB-C to USB-C cable, which I do not have one of them. I do not have a USB-C plug. So I bought USB-C to USB-A cables. But let's get into it. I'm so excited. Little pull tab here. It's quite a nice box. It's quite an unusual box. If you compare it to like an iPhone box or just any phone box, this is very different. And then you pull the side bit off. And then here's the phone. I know a lot of people will get to the accessories first, but I could not wait. I ripped that. I've been waiting for this all day. Well, not all day. To be fair, it's not actually that late. But I was just sort of waiting for the Amazon delivery driver. I think it comes with a screen protector on it. I'm not sure, but it'll only be a plastic one. I'm proper ruining this. It's fine. Look at it. Look. Wow, look at that. That looks well nice. And it's got all the LEDs, it's clear. That is banging. Right, let's turn it on. It is very much the shape of an iPhone. It's obviously bigger than the phone that I have at the minute. But, yeah, it's bigger than my iPhone, because it's the size of a Pro Max and I just have an 11. And yeah, the cameras, it's got the same sort of cameras as an iPhone 11, I've heard. Let's have a look what else in the box while that turns on. Yes, that's going to be the biggest pain in the arse with this phone for me, the fact that I'm switching from iPhone, getting all my stuff over, like all my photos are in iCloud and all that sort of stuff. So actually, before I get to the accessories, I just want to turn it on. It's got an OLED 120Hz screen, so that's cool. If you had have a SIM card and set it now. Okay, well I'm filming on my phone, which has my SIM card in, so I'm going to get something else to film on, just so I can do it. But here's my iPhone 11. As you can see, all the screen protectors all cracked and everything. I did actually buy a new screen protector, but because of the Royal Mail delivery driver strikes, the new phone's got here before the screen protector for this one. At some point I'm going to open the accessories because I need the pin for this. Oh wait, am I doing this wrong? I don't know how to do this. Just come out. Okay, here's the pin thing. There's the COVID stickers. I might do a full comparison video between these two phones. Because, yeah, they're quite similar in price at the minute, to be fair. There's my SIM card there, my eSIM. This phone, the Nothing phone, should have, from what I've heard, has 5G, which my iPhone 11 does not. Right, so let's put my SIM in it. Oh, you can, this is dual SIM. Oh, I could have 2 SIM cards in this phone if I wanted to. Don't see why I would, but I could if I wanted. So I'll put that in, go hello, connect, I've done it, and then connect to Wi-Fi. So we'll open this up, and yeah, it's just a USB-C to USB-C cable. I'm going to keep that in there because I do not have anything I can connect that to. So it now wants me to connect to Wi-Fi. So yes, it does come with a plastic screen protector on, which is nice because it means I don't have to stress straight away about putting this one on. I don't know what will open this, but yeah. So this is a case and a screen protector. It comes both in one. Sorry, this video is sort of all over the place. It's definitely not as professional as other YouTubers, because they are not all stressing because they've got a new phone. They are just tech reviewers. Don't copy because I do not have an Android. Oh, these screen protectors are plastic ones. I do not want a plastic screen protector. Okay, well, I'll have to buy a new one, a new screen protector. And this one already comes with a plastic one on it, so I'll keep that one on it for now, and then I'll get a new one. Right, so it's now logging into my Google account. Let's try on this phone case. It is way nicer without a phone case, but you know, I don't want to break it. This phone case is alright. Choose your search engine. It's obviously going to be Google. Set a pin. This phone has a fingerprint sensor in the screen actually, so that'll be pretty cool. I'm not sure if it has Face ID or not, but hold to start. So turn on system navigation. Yeah, just gesture navigation. Welcome. Swipe up to start. Whoa. I'm going to turn the auto rotate off because that's already annoyed me a bit. So as you can see, the apps are downloading. Get rid of that. Ah, yeah, contacts as well. Oh no, that's going to be difficult. It's got a bunch of my old contacts because I did used to be Android, so it should be okay. That 120Hz screen is so nice. I'm going to be frit of taking this outside because I don't have a glass screen protector, but oh well. Alright, let's look at the camera app. Okay, that looks good. That looks like my iPhone 11, to be fair. Yeah, that does look nice. Is it in the phone? Oh, wow.
So, it's been 5 weeks since the other clips of this video. I was so excited to use the phone that day that I just didn't want to film anymore. I just wanted to use it, and I love it. So if I flip it over, obviously it flashes like that, which has now silenced it, and then all future notifications will come up using the back. Now this phone is very similar to an iPhone 12 and 11. I might make a comparison video comparing this phone to my iPhone 11 if that's something you guys are interested in, and I also might make a more in-depth review of this phone if that's something you're also interested in. This phone has face recognition and a fingerprint scanner. Now, I didn't actually bother setting up the face recognition when I set up the phone because I'd watched another YouTuber's review. He said the face recognition isn't amazing, the fingerprint's really good. But it's worth having the face recognition set up because it will notice you, it will unlock every once in a while. And the thing is, I only set up the face recognition a couple of days ago because I just relied on the fingerprint scanner because it's inbuilt in the screen, which is really nice. But I set up the face recognition and it's actually really good. I think the face recognition on this is better than my iPhone 11. So if you have it on this is what I like. Say, if I pick it up, it will recognise my face. Probably not because I've got another phone if I am filming this clip on my iPhone 11. But say if I move the iPhone out of the way, say if I turn it on, it's recognised me and I can unlock it. Or say if I have it flat on the desk and I want to unlock it, just go like that and do it. Now I got the 8GB of RAM because I don't need 12 gigs. And 256GB version of this phone, and you can very much tell that I have taken advantage of that. So we go on my games. Next. And then if I slide, this is one thing I don't like about the launcher, but I think this is a stock Android, so it's not the nothing company's fault. but how you scroll down rather than have to, oh, I didn't mean to open that, how you scroll down instead of having different pages. But look, got loads of apps. So let's go into my settings, go into about, I've used 78 gigabytes out of 256. Now when it's out of 256 gigabytes, like that's less than half. But the amount of storage I've used on this phone is more storage than I had on my old phone, like altogether, on my iPhone 11. While we're here on the settings, let's talk about the glyph lights. Now I'm going to take the phone off silent to show you. But there's a bunch of different ringtones. This is the... it's quite loud, so I'm going to turn that down. There's quite a lot of them. This one's the default one. So let me change it back to the one that I use. I use the one that I use the most random one. And then what you can also do is music visualizations. If I turn that on, I'll try and find some non-copyright music. So this is one of the no copyright songs.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side.
So yeah, the lights are very cool. It is, I will admit, it's definitely a gimmicky feature. It's something when I first saw about this phone, I thought, well, why would people pay so much money just for that? But the specs of this phone are very comparable to other Android phones, and the build quality is very nice. It's a big screen, it's really nice, and the camera's really good as well. The camera on this is better than my iPhone 11. We're inside now, so it's not the best examples. You see me filming it on my iPhone 11. But yeah, it's got Wi-Fi 6, all that sort of stuff. It's got two cameras. This is the wide angle one, and that's the normal one. 120 Hz screen, which is really nice. Obviously you can't tell on video because this is being filmed at 24 frames a second. And yeah, I don't know what much more to say. If people request for a more in-depth review, I will put a lot more effort into it than this, and I can give you guys that if that's something you want. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.